This is the most craziest thing we've ever experienced.
$2,095 for 4 check-in bags because we checked them in at the airport instead of online.
AirAsia, I'm very disappointed in you, AirAsia.
It's like if a little kid put up a lemonade stand and charged $100 per lemonade.
30,480,000. That's more than the ticket. Twice as much as the ticket.
Stupid. I'm just hungry for fun.
The thing is, we can easily cancel our flight, but our visa expires today, so I can't do anything about it. We have to take this flight. We have no choice. Okay, correction. Someone converted wrong.
I was calculating the wrong currency.
1,300 instead of 2,100. I mean, it's better than 2,100.
Yeah.
But it's still 1,300. Okay, guys, we're connecting to Lions Air.
Yeah, this is $15 for the luggage. $15. For everything.
$15.
For the whole thing, not just for each one.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.